Welcome back to my channel. In this video you're gonna learn how to move rows one row from one location to another location. Similarly, a column move from one location to another location. In the another scenario, how you gonna move your row from one location to another location, replacing the rows. So these are three different scenarios I'm gonna use with you. Let's begin with the first one. Like in scenario, what I want is I wanted to move this mouse row 6 to the under the computer and above the monitor. So without losing any data. So in that case, just select the row, whatever you want to move, and then use your move arrow and press the shift button and drag it under the computer, and you can see the mouse has been replaced and reach out to the second row, which was the last row, and the monitor has now been moved to the third row. So this is the way you can use using your move arrow and shift. Now the other scenario is how you want to replace one row to another row. In this case, like laptop or keyboard, I wanted to replace keyboard with the laptop. So in this case, you just need to select the row and then use the arrow and press the alt, and then take it to the row, the one you wanted to replace, and drop it. The moment you drop it, it's gonna ask you the about the replacement. There's already data here. Do you want to replace it? So if you're gonna say okay, that means yes. So if you say okay, so it's gonna replace the it's, you see the row is replaced with the data, and then the empty row is available for you to delete. So delete case is simply press Alt, E and D. Press Alt, E and D. Alt plus E plus D. So the row will be deleted. And now in another scenario, you wanted to move rows and copy to another location. Simply you want monitor copy to the down as well. So in this case, select the monitor row and then take the moving arrow and then say control. Press the control and take it the location wherever you wanted to copy and drop it. And you can see that the I'm sorry. So control, and then you can see the moment you press the monitor, press the control with the moving arrow, it copies monitor from 4 to 7th location. So in this case, you can see that how we can copy, how we can move, how can we can replace. The same scenario you can use in the column as well. Like I'm just giving you an example. You want quantity move to the last location. So in this case, you just select the row and then drag it, use the moving arrow and then shift. Sorry. So and shift. So see the location is moved. So same scenario you can use in columns as well. I hope you enjoyed this video and it is gonna be useful for you in your day-to-day work with the Excel. If you like my channel, please subscribe me and drop any comments if you have. I will get back to you. Any new video or anything, I'm gonna drop it into my channel. You will be notified. If you are my subscriber, please forward my channel to other your friends, your family, and get back to me as soon as possible. Whatever issues you have in Excel sheet, I will work with you and I will be there to resolve for you. Have a great day and take care. Bye bye.